Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing an ultimate clean with me in the girls' room. As you guys can see, it is a complete disaster. Hope this video gives you guys a ton of cleaning motivation, so let's get started. I am so psyched because today's video is in collaboration with my friend Satitra from the channel Kay's Natural Cleaning LLC. She does a ton of cleaning videos and shares so many cleaning tips on her channel. She also has her own professional green cleaning business as well. Make sure you check out her channel in the description box below and show her some love. So as you guys can see, we have a lot that we have to do in this room. We have to do a lot of cleaning, and I still have to finish building this house. I started building it last night, and we just moved recently, probably like a couple months ago, to this house, and we lost the instructions. I don't think we lost like any of the pieces or any of like the hardware stuff, but building this thing without instructions is pretty hard. So I've been online looking for the instructions. We also have to reorganize this nightstand over here, and their closet's also getting out of hand. We need to organize and declutter everything. A lot of this clothes needs to get donated and put in a bag. And I also want to go through all this stuff up here too and organize that as well. So we have a lot of things that we need to do here. So I have the girls here with me. They're actually going to help me clean up the room because this is just a big mess. We're actually going to be organizing and decluttering all their toys over here. And then also over here in this section, this is supposed to be like only stuffed animals in here, and there's a lot of different stuff in here as you guys can see. So we're definitely gonna declutter that too. As the girls were cleaning, I started to put the dollhouse together, and boy was this a project. So hubby came to help me out. I needed to put it on its side, so he helped me lift it up, and now I put this top part in. I also put in the walls. And I'm going to take a quick little break and bring the girls outside. All right, we just got back. The girls are all washed up. It's late at night now, so they're going to finish up and clean up their room. And I'm going to try to attempt to finish this dollhouse. Bella loves putting things together, so she wanted to help me out with this dollhouse. Next, it was time to clear out these bins, and they had so many different things in here. They had clothes, makeup, pencils, old toys that they've been looking for, and they were so happy when they found them. You guys, even my clothes were in their bins. I don't know how it went from my room to their room, but let me know in the comments down below if this happens to you too. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. Then I started to declutter, organize, and purge some toys from their toy organizer, and I just realized how many small toys they have in here, like Legos, Play-Doh, and their LOLs, and I am constantly finding an LOL shoe or accessory around the house by stepping on one. Let me know in the comments down below if this happens to you too. Just watch me break it. from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. Bella is my little cleaner. She loves to clean and organize with me. She gets super excited when I start a cleaning or organizing project. So we are on day 2 now and decluttering and cleaning the girls' room. I'll show you guys everything that we got done last night. So last night the girls and I were able to organize our toy organizer, and this is all the stuff that we're going to be getting rid of. I am more than halfway of building their dollhouse. I wasn't able to finish it because we are missing some hardware, so I'm going to call the company, see if they can mail me some more screws so I can fix this and finish this up. But I did have them put their furniture for the dollhouse inside here so we can just keep it separated with their toys. Now the girls are going to put the toys that we purged last night in a bag. So these are the clothes that we found inside these 2 bins, and Bella and I were able to declutter both of these last night. So now I'm just going to go through this and see which one we're going to keep and what we're going to be able to donate. So now I have all the clothes folded, and now I'm going to go over here and declutter everything and try to donate as much as I can so I can make more space in their closet. I can't believe how fast the kids are growing. Bella and Melanie are in the same size clothes now, and Josiah has been wearing size men's clothing since he was 13 years old. I just purged a ton of clothes from his closet, but I totally forgot about the girls' closet. I had a lot of clothes that were size 3T in here, and Melanie hasn't worn that for a couple of years now, and it was time to let go. I love putting summer dresses on the girls. It's so easy for them and myself, and whenever we go out of town or on a summer vacation, summer dresses it is. Then I tidy up a bit above their closet and I move some things around. So I just got done organizing the girls' closet, and what I did was I moved around a lot of things. I moved all the jackets, sweaters, and big dresses all the way to the back over here, and I brought up all their summer clothes and summer dresses up front so they can easily access to it. And I also put like a lot of their like dance recital uniforms and then their Halloween costumes back here. We're actually gonna be using this year. I bought this last year when it was on sale, so I just kind of pushed that all back over there. And on this side of the closet, I have their backpacks over there in the corner, and then they have their laundry basket. This corner of the closet, we have a little bit of their bigger toys. We have their little jewelry boxes, we have their large puzzles, some of the little ponies, and then some extra Barbie dolls. And up here, I have one of their sleeping bags. It has some artwork that I need to put up in their room. I have a couple of games over here. In this bin, we have all their bathing suits. Over here, we have like the blankets. And then over here we have extra Halloween costume or dress up costumes. And these are the things I need to hang up in their room too. And then we have their keepsake box over there. And these are other clothes that I got from the closet and that we're gonna be donating. And these are all the extra hangers that I got from the closets too. And now we're gonna quickly organize the girls' nightstand, and it definitely needs to get organized. There's so many stuff here. So now the girls' nightstand is now nice and cleaned and organized, except for down here. I quickly have to go through these little bins. I actually got these bins from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna quickly organize it and declutter some things out of here. Next, the girls wanted to organize their bookshelf, so that's what we did.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter.
And when you think you're done, but you look under their bed, look at all that stuff. And over here too. So I just got a broom and I got everything out from under their bed. I found Barbies, stuffed animals, and so many sandals.
Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want.
Then I put all the clothes that we're going to donate into a bag. And last, I'm going to quickly vacuum the room. So the girls' room is finally clean and organized, and I'm so super happy, and they're so excited about it too. We got rid of a couple books and we were able to reorganize their little bookshelf. We were able to declutter a lot of toys, and now we have a couple of empty bins for new toys. And their dollhouse still isn't built yet, but pretty soon it will be done. Hopefully by this week I'll get all the pieces. And the little kitchen is all cleaned out and organized. And this here is finally organized too. We have all the little purses and backpacks in that bin. And over here we have all their stuffed animals. Well, that's a wrap. I hope you got a ton of cleaning motivation. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell and press all so you don't miss any future videos. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!